Hi guys, good morning. So today we are going to see in universal law divine timing versus divine order. So in order of keeping on taking cards and telling, I felt like let us give some important info which people should definitely know. Okay, so according to me and many of the people in spiritual groups, it was never divine timing. It is always divine order. Okay, so if you want to bring your dreams into reality, okay, so in order to bring your dreams into reality, you have to see if you want money. Okay, most of the people who are watching this are divine feminines. Okay, so being a divine feminine, you want financial freedom. So every divine feminine has her own individual unique talent, passion, and she wants to convert that into career, and she wants to earn through that to attain financial freedom, but she does not know how to do that. So in our coaching, we used to teach how to communicate with the divine masculine. That also I'll put a separate video, divine masculine versus divine source. Okay, so we teach them to communicate with the divine masculine. Okay, feminines character is being and masculine's character is doing. Okay, so if she wants financial freedom, she has to be in the state of being, and she has to surrender out of divine trust. She has to surrender to the divine masculine whatever she wants and submit it to him, and always be in the state of being. It's divine masculine's job for doing everything and making things come to the divine femininity, that is opportunities flow into the divine feminine's life. Okay, this is how it is. So for that, now divine order plays a vital role. Okay, once you surrender it to the divine masculine, whatever your wishes. For example, let us take me itself. I'm doing coaching business, okay, or I'm doing cosmetic business. So as a divine feminine in the state of being, what I should do is, like now how I give my knowledge to you, I'm putting the small video shorts. In that I'm what all knowledge I have, I share with you, so that you people who are watching this, you come to know I have so much of knowledge, and whatever you need, I have that knowledge. So you believe I can teach you or coach you, make things easy for you, and whatever you want as a result, you can get it from me. This is how you know. So from where I am being, place I live, from there I give these info to you, so that my divine masculine being in the state of doing, he can travel anywhere in the universe. So if you are a person who needs this, when I give this info in the social media, upload it, he can make this video appear in your YouTube frontline. Okay, algorithm to appear, and you can happen to watch this, and when you feel I want this message, I want such a person, I want to take coaching from this person, like that, when you feel, automatically you will come to me, you will get my contact number, and you will communicate and talk to me. If you are happy with me, if you feel I can help you, then you will make the payment and start up coaching. This is how I become financial freedom. Correct, no? So the divine order is what you are doing step by step, baby step, from your inner voice, that is divine masculine's higher self's guidance. It gives guidance now. According to the guidance, you take step by step, keep marching forward now, and you attain that financial freedom. So it is this work, this is the things you do in order, is divine order, which gives you the and makes your manifestation come true. Okay, so it is when that timing is coming, we know I have done all my works and it is going to manifest. So that going to manifest time is divine timing. Without divine order, that divine timing will never come. That is what I'm telling. It's always divine order and not divine timing.